together to stop the flow of arms to Israel and to bring the gears of Zionism and imperialism to a screeching halt. We want justice, you say how?
We want justice, you say how?
Arms embargo now, now, now.
Arms embargo now, now, now.
We want justice, you say how?
We want justice, you say how?
Arms embargo now.
Where are the police? I'm just curious. Where are the Washington, D.C. Metro Police, and where are the Park Police, and where are the Secret Service?
For every martyr, for every Palestinian.
There should be police everywhere, and there's
In our
not.
homeland.